In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a profile on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Safari button up in the menu bar, and then you want to go down and select Manage Profiles, and then select the profile you want to delete on the left side, and then select the minus sign at the bottom here. It's going to say you should want to permanently delete this profile and stop using profiles. Deleting this profile will remove history, cookies, and other website data associated with this profile. Select Delete, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.